For all your heating and cooling needs, you need endless energy.
Got snow on the ground, it's about 20 degrees out, which means we are in the height of heating season and a perfect time to talk about one of my absolute favorite systems for the home, which is a hybrid heat pump. So a hybrid heat pump is any sort of heat pump that uses a fossil fuel backup, be that propane, natural gas, or oil. Specifically for this conversation today, we're going to talk about hybrid heat pumps with a furnace backup, right? So how do these work? So in order to understand how a hybrid heat pump works, it's important to back up and think about how a heat pump itself operates. So with a typical air conditioner that sits on top of your furnace, you have your indoor furnace. Please don't make fun of my terrible drawings. I'm great at HVAC, terrible artist. This piece right here is what we call our evaporator coil, and it is connected to the outdoor condensing unit. So most people think that the way an AC works is that it's actually pumping cold air into your home, but what's really happening is you're recycling air from the home and running it over this coil right here and removes that heat, which is then pumped back to the outdoor unit where it's dissipated. Nice cool air delivered to your home. A heat pump is just an air conditioner that works on reverse. So on those cold days when we're utilizing our heating system, heat pump is using ambient outdoor temperature to send heat to our coil, sending heat to the home. So when I explain this process, most people ask the same question. I'm sure it's what you're wondering right now, which is, hey Nick, how does this work on a day like today when it's freezing outside? And it's a great question. And the answer is, today's cold climate heat pumps, they're designed to operate at these lower temperatures. The reality is they have to work a lot harder to extract that heat from the air, right? And that's where a system like a hybrid heat pump comes in handy. So heat pumps are most efficient. Here's my little graph here. On one axis we have temp, and the other one we have efficiency. Heat pumps are most efficient at 47 degrees. As that temperature goes down, the efficiency goes down with the unit, as well as the capacity, meaning how much heat the unit can actually provide. A furnace maintains a consistent efficiency no matter what the outdoor temperature. So what we do in the case of a hybrid heat pump is we put a coil and heat pump condenser on top of either an existing or new furnace and do what's called an integrated control through your T-stat. This monitors the outdoor temperature, and when it gets below 30 degrees, right at the point of diminishing returns, your heat pump kicks off and your furnace starts igniting fossil fuels to make sure that you're nice and toasty and comfortable on those cold, cold days. This is also one of the most energy efficient ways to heat and cool your home here in Massachusetts.
For all your heating and cooling needs, you need endless energy.